Ang daming choices dito guys, oh. Ang daming choices dito guys. Well, dito na guys, oh.
Explain you better. Get closer.
Bu motor var. Hello. How are you? Good. Very nice. Try, huh? Take stick, new stick. Every time take new stick. Try put it here. Okay?
For every honey, new stick.
Take new one by one. And I will explain start from here. First, how to flowers and heart problem is good. Heart problem explain for this one. Open your mouth. Up. Yes, this is honeycomb. Honeycomb, Georgian #1 honey. For everything medical, too much vitamins. This is everything. How much should and 57 benefits is clear. This is one shot. It's a cha-cha. Take 1 spoon for this size, put inside, and next time drink.
Okay. Wow,
This is mixed honeycomb, Georgian #1 honey. For everything medical, too much vitamins. This is everything. 57 benefits is clean the honey. This is most popular in Georgian people for the honeycomb. And this is white honey, winter honey, fruit. White honey,
Honeycomb, may kandila nga eh. Very raw. Hindi ka pa nakatikim? Doon ka sabi lang magsimula. Hindi, bago to.
True. Whatever he says about the last honey, it's true. Yeah. In the winter season, nothing blooms, so they give a fruit.
We have to 5,000 people. We are number of people in Georgia, and there's all of them will honey. It's certificate honey. I have 3 size, or twice sale honey. Small size, 200 grams, 20 lari. Medium
20
size,
lari.
500 grams, 40 lari, and big size, 1 kilo, 200 grams, 70 lari. All of them kind, same price. And only honeycomb, 80 lari, 50 lari, and 30 lari. No money, no honey.
50-20. 50-20
You
lang.
want Jaja?
Back to the subject of the uniqueness. Well, chestnut has a little bit bitter taste, but this is a unique that you find almost only in Georgia.
Oh, this is
That's what it is about the chestnut. Yeah, but it has a bitter taste.
Yung chestnut dapat masarap.
Other things about the honey, you don't use the spoon, you need to use the wood because it goes in reaction. And in case you were a consumer, my mother is consuming it every morning on the empty stomach. She dissolves it in the water.
Ito masarap. Napakla. Napakla. Pero masarap daw to.
It better.
Yung may honeycomb masarap din. Akasya to. Normal. Ano, raspberry?
My friend, which one do you like? For that,
Yung sakayan na uli. Madulas ka.
Let's see if he survives.
Ang daming tourist dito sa Georgia. Hindi mo na maintindihan yung mga imik. Ang daming ibang lahi, oh. Kaya ano pa ang iniintay ninyo? Kayo'y magparne na. Gusto mo magparagliding? Yan. Meron din eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan ka lalanding. Baka hindi din nababa. Diyan ka na maghapon. Wow. Para G. Para G. Wow. Yun ang ating flag, kulay orange. Sa mga magbabarek, manawa kayo din eh. Shot and win. Padulas. Wow, wow, wow. May instructor pala eh. May instructor. Oh, oh. Oh yeah. Ayun, may upuan din dun, oh. Ang ganda na, no? Kukuhanan ko yan mamaya. Wow, wow, wow. Mas safe dito. Oh, kapit na kapit eh. Oh. Aso.
É isso.
Kabayo. Kakahapo din. Kakahapo din eh. Ganda pala itong magduyan sa ano. Pagka nakabitaw ka, shades, oh. Ang daming shades. Rum ba yo?
Get closer before I start explaining all of this. Be like a NATO, one for all for one. In 1795, we got invaded by Persians, Aga Muhammad Khan. We were only 5,000, they were up to 20. And King Heraclius II, he was the one who signed that agreement to be in the same military union with Russians, but probably because same religion was the matter, because around us we had Persians, we had Turkey.
Rum ba yo? Wow. Yeah, magkapatong nga. Panoramic view. Oh. Ano tao dito? Madulas kayo dyan. Malaglag kayo dun. Turkish coffee, oh. Daming tao dito, oh. Sulit na sulit yung punta mo dito. May mga nagdo-drone din dito. Ayan. Nasaan na yung drone? Babalik. Ayun, oh. Ayan. Oh, mura. Kayang-kaya yung bayaran. Yan, oh. Para maganda yung inyong videos, tsaka talagang memorable, mag-drones na din kaya. Di nila ang yan sa Bukana. Ayan. Din eh. Yan. Guys, dahan-dahan yung pagbaba niya dito at maraming nadudulas.
Malamig na ata yung baso.
Oh, pang ano yung ano niya, pang snow. Susutaw ng seats. May tao dito. Kaya guys, medyo nadulas nga. Oh. Hindi na kaya. Doon. Sabi niya nga, mahal. Sorry. Ang dami ding vlogger dito guys. Pwede rin kayo maging vlogger dito guys.
Kabayo. Doon, madulas na dyan.
Sabi mo sa kabayo.
Upo tayo dito. Upo ako. Isa ka mo ko.
Ha? Halika. Kumapit ka. Oh. Dapat paside. Kaya guys, sulit ang pagpunta nyo dito guys. Kung kayo may mga chikiting, may kids, matutuwa. Ayun, minadulas na nga. Kaya kailangan bumili kayo ng boots na ano, pang snow. Yung may grip.
Mamaya makuha ka tayo. Okay, I'm sorry.
Sarap magtsaa, oh. Snow view. Sorry. Ito?
Saan ba?
Diyan.
Meron na doon.
Ah. Ay, mami, delikado dyan. Dito. Makapakan mo yung tae. Ay, magparni na kayo. Talaga namang sulit. Bumaba na yung ano, yung ulap. May aso. Gahanap sila ng tropa. May aso. Chicken choco mo. Chicken choco mo. Chicken choco mo. May shades din oh. Ah. Hindi nakakatakot ang aso dito oh. Kung kailan naman ang lalaki. Kababait. Mas mabait pa sa iyo. Hintayin na natin dun. Ayun oh, nandun siya oh. Garni pala ang bato dito eh.
Oh, bebe, ano ba? Sabi.
Akalain mo may nakadating na kawayan dito. Oh. Imported yan. Oo. Imported ang kawayan. Wala akong nakitang kawayan dun sa baba. Gusto mong umupo dyan? May sneakers na tinda dun eh. Ay, madulas ka dyan. Ah, sige, picturean kita dyan. Oh. Upo na dyan. Dito. Upo. Oh. Ang ganda ng kuha eh. Oh. Saan? Tita?
Yung view kasi.
Oo.
Anak, madulas ka dyan. Huwag kang pumunta ng gano'n. Isa pa. Diyan lang, madulas na doon.
Click! Zoom! Zoom!
Gusto niya sa ano? Sa swing? Ha? Tapos natanggal, no?
Ang daming click eh. Oh. Oh. Yun. Nagsawa ka ng kalalakad dito. Oh. Maganda ang views. Sa kaliwa, sa kanan. Oh, ay talaga naman. Wala kang itatapong view. Tapos are ang aapakan mo. Yan. Oh. Oh. Itututukan natin. Ayan.
Doon tayo sa... Yan, madami.
Okay na yan.
Uli ka na daw. Doon na sila.
You see?
Ayos lang. Okay, more travel to another place. Wow. Ayun. Dinala tayo dito sa mas makapal na yung yelo. Ay manawa ka diyan. Yan. Oh. Okay. Ayan, may nagpadulas. Alright, bababa na uli. Ring itim.
Orange, please follow me or follow the plan.
Bolt. Yun, pagka kayo daw pala ay magta-taxi, download nyo sa apps yung Bolt. Yan. Sakto yung presyo, sakto yung kilometro. Guys, parang city na din dito, guys. On top of the mountain, you know. Oh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Mag-iingat lahat, baka madulas. Doon ka sa gilid. Munti ka na. Dahil matigas na yung yelo, ayan. Good job, good job. Good job. Ski rent and shop.
Whatever you tell them, they believe it. You want the fetish to be a boss. Whatever you tell them, they do.
Locks. Nawala yung ro. Ah, ito pala yun. Mabutot ako.
Don't count on their brakes. Yeah, for tires.
Denise.
Good job. Naghalo na yung nyebe at saka putik. Oh. At least hindi ka na madudulas. Sulit ang lakad dito. Medyo malalim na. Mamaya mas malalim hanggang Bayawang. Mamimili ka Mamimili ka Natakbo din pala yung maliit. Ayos na din. Maraming mga agents dito. Yan tulad yan. Sulit dito, guys. Sulit dito. Sulit dito, guys. May anong tawag dyan? Ang ating flag.
The worst thing here is whatever the ladies get. It almost killed my customers. It doesn't have a brake, doesn't have a steering wheel. When they slide down, they might. So I hate this thing, but still, it's allowed. All the others, more or less, you can control it. You know,
Dinis nung ka. I will pull you.
please give it steering. Where are the others? No, we lost them. I'm losing my warrior.
Yung ano,
Si ano.
All right, so
Oh.
new Budawuri ski resort. The old one, development of the old one was so bad that they decided to build a new ski resort here. So Budawuri has up to 14 different tracks, ski tracks, which are divided into professional and non-professional levels, and up to 7 different cable cars. Close, open, whatever, but at the moment it's not operational because what's the point of carrying people up if they don't ski, all right? So on 27th they will open officially. Now, in case you want to play in the snow, there and to the right. You find the perfect angles for the photos and everything. In terms of food, on the way back, I can stop at the place where all of you can have it. So you better have it like that. That's why I stopped over there. So
Dali
the
mo
rest
ganun.
is
Yung
345.
bata, o tinan mo. Oh. Ganun
How
lang.
long do you want me to give you? 1 hour more? 1 hour is enough?
I believe.
Alright, so 1 hour I'm giving you. Unfortunately, cable car is not operational. There are the angles for the photos, and it's 3:45. Exactly at 4:45, please, because at 5 the trucks start to move, so I don't want them to go ahead of us. So 3:45, 4:45. You see the Dunkin' Donuts over there?
Dunkin'
I'll be
Donuts.
standing right in front of Dunkin' Donuts. Good? No questions. You know what
Thank
it
you.
means? Either you understand everything or you don't understand anything at all, or either you don't care anything at all.
Now we understand. It's very clear, that's why.
That is the place where there's more snow. That's it.
Well,
There's just snow, more snow.
Yeah,
there,
in the
mostly
corner.
we used to play upper ball. This is the first time I came here. So in this season. So there and to the right it should be, but on the ski tracks, if you go, please be careful because this is a beginner's track. You see the kids and everyone are there. So they might hit you from behind. So be really careful. On the ski tracks, if you go to the right side so that nobody hits you. No hands in a pocket, you might fall in time.
No hands on the pocket, guys.
That's it. 1 hour.
Kailangan laging nakalabas. May gloves. Mag-gloves kayo. Yan. Bumili kayo sa Temo ko, kamura.